Hi, today I'm going to teach you a best way of teaching put the sign to the child. For example, I have written few numbers here. The first number is 12 and 21. Now, a child is of 4 plus age would not be able to make out which number is bigger. So the best way is ask them to write O T O on the top of the numbers and tell them that T stands for tens, O stands for ones. Now ask them to compare this T with another T and tell them this way that this T has one toffee and the other T has two toffees. That means the T which has more toffees is a bigger one. So we'll ask them to mark it like this. We will explain this word as a mouth of crocodile. So mouth of the crocodile will open to that side where T has more fishes. Okay. Second question. This is 22 and the next number is 28. Now we follow the same trick. Write T-O. Now let's compare T first. This T has two toffees. This one also has two toffees. So let's mark it like this. We don't consider now. Now we'll go to O. This O has two toffees. This O has 8 toffees. That means this O has more toffees than this one. So which one is bigger then? This one is bigger. So we'll ask them to open the mouth of crocodile towards 28. Now next question is 1, 5, 15, 1, 5, 15. They both are same. When the numbers are same, we ask crocodile to eat equally. So he will eat this one first and then he will move to this one. He will eat both sides. And the last question is number 40 and 7. Now, when there is no number in the beginning of the number, then we put O, 0. And on the top of it, we write T-O, T-O. Now compare this T with this T. From here you can make it out. This T has 4 toffees and this T has only 0 toffees. That means it has nothing. So that means this number is bigger. So this is the way you can teach your child about put the sign. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.